let's explore the homepage. If your district uses Google Classroom, sign in to Google and accept permissions to import classes directly. We recommend creating a class first. Create your class and name it what you would like. Select the grade level. If you are using our class code option to set students up, select the People tab in the class and select Class Code. This is a one-time use, only to allow students to set up their account. Once approved, they will be able to log in according to your district or school rules. You can also add student accounts manually. Enter their first name, last initial and school email address, and select Add Student. Here in the Discover tab is where you will find all of your content for your course. You can select Ontario, Alberta, or CEFR from the drop-down. Then, select your subject and grade you are looking for. You can also use the top search bar for keywords. Discover is broken down into curriculum by topic. Here you will find boxes with light bulb and A+ icons, symbolizing the tasks and assessment total. Once you've found your topic you want to discover, click on the box. It will take you to the topic menu. Here you will see the assessments in green at the top. Below that is your lesson menu. Here you can assign directly or all at once, depending on your class needs. Now let's jump to the Classwork tab to see your assigned work results. This is a sample of what you would see post-assessment. You will receive a comprehensive breakdown per student, outlining their success and areas to work on. The Analysis and Recommendations section is where EP will identify students who scored below the threshold and recommend them lessons to work on for remediation. This can help you, the educator, track a targeting pathway for students in areas they need help with most. Your task report will work in a similar way, but instead of providing a mark to the students, this will be a progress report. This is where you review students' responses. For each student, you can see their responses broken down by questions. You can then provide written or verbal feedback and leave them a star rating. This helps keep everything all in one place. If you have our EPAI feature on your account, you will find the AI feedback tool helps generate valuable, insightful feedback. And in the task report, you will see AI data surface. Now, if you want to review what you've assigned for tasks or assessments, simply click the Classwork tab to access past, current, and future work. Our EP Create tool is excellent for quick check-ins. You can build curriculum-aligned check-ins by selecting the curriculum, various expectations, and multiple grades. Our system will work to generate aligned questions for you. You can add videos, images, or media to your questions to personalize them further. Thanks for watching. If you need more support, please visit www.educationperfect.com for help.